Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I'm Emily of Emily's Art Journey. Happy New Year. So I've been away for a few weeks, kind of regrouping for 2025. I tend to work with my art based on my emotions, and I've really been struggling, as I said in my last video. So I'm ready to get back on track and look forward to the future and, you know, come up with some fun and exciting new classes to bring us together and, you know, just bring some joy into our lives. So I just wanted to jump on here super quick just to say thank you for 100 subscribers. I'm super excited about that, and I'm so happy that you're all here. I do have some things coming up that I look forward to sharing with you. I have decided that next week's class is going to be where we're going to create like a cute little page with like bookcase shelves or something like that, and it's going to be a 2025 book tracker. I love reading, so I just thought, hey, this could be a really fun way to have art and also make it be functional for something that I would like to use anyway. So I invite you to join me next Wednesday. I usually drop my classes around 4 p.m. So I really look forward to, you know, facing this year together and building a community and just helping us to feel better and feel happy and to bring joy into our lives. So I will see you next week. Thank you again so much for being here, and have a great day.